but S and Z are also represented by the circle also. It is used with the left motion or anti-clockwise. It will be like this. It can be joined to all consonants initially, middle and finally. जितने भी consonants हैं, चाहे वो downward हैं, चाहे upward हैं, चाहे horizontal हैं, with these consonants, S circle will be joined initially, middle or finally. मतलब कि initially मतलब initially बिल्कुल initially जब start होता है stroke, middle center में और finally at the end. It is read first if it is written initially and read finally if it is written finally. No stroke or vowel will be read first or last. Circle S will be read at first, second and third, but the circle G will be read used in middle and finally. मतलब कि circle S तो तीनों place पे count होता है. Z जो है heavy sound है, it will be used middle and finally. Initially the sound of Z will be written as stroke Z consonant. मतलब initially हम Z consonant का जो circle है we cannot use it. Like it means circle S is used initially, middle and finally. Circle Z is used middle and finally, but not initially. Now there is the example. Seal. Seal, अब third place vowel है. L will be written through the line. S is pronounced at the initially, S circle, and then L. It will be through the line. Vowel will be remain at the third place. Let's deal. अब in case of Z and then L, that means we cannot use Z as circle initially. Circle S is written inside the curve strokes. Initially, middle and finally. जितने भी curve strokes है, it will be written inside the stroke. For example, save. Save, S is being pronounced first, then F, second place vowel. We have to use circle inside the curve stroke, inside the F. S circle and F vowel will be written at the second place. Face, it is used finally here in case of face, F circle, F stroke, S circle, it will be written on the line. Dozen, now in case of middle, D stroke, S circle and N stroke. There will be two vowel, dozen. Infuse, it will be written as finally, N stroke, F stroke and S circle, and U will be diphthong. Circle and then P above the line sap. Bees, B stroke will be written through the line क्योंकि third place vowel है, and then S circle with left motion. Set. Set में S is being pronounced initially, S circle, then T, pen wala vowel on the line. Side, S circle, and then D, it is diphthong, it will be written above the line. Choose, J stroke and S circle, final vowel, and joys, J stroke and S circle. It will be written above the line क्योंकि इसमें भी diphthong है. Circle X is written on the upper side of straight horizontal strokes यानी K and K. मतलब कि दोनों केस में K स्ट्रोक है और S सर्कल है. it will be written on the line. In case of seek, S circle is written initially, K and vowel will be written above K finally. Goes, G stroke and S circle, it will be written above the line. First, please. Circle S is written on the left hand side of the state upward strokes. Right side in case of downward stroke, and in case of upward stroke, S stroke, S will be written upward and S circle is left motion, yani on the left side in case of upward stroke. Ways, way and S circle vowels वही रहेंगे. Yes, ये and S circle, yes. House, ठीक है. Circle S is used in phasography. 4 is written above the line. It is a grammar log. It is written above the line. 4 S circle will represent us. 2 is written on the line. S circle will represent us. It is written on the line. S circle will represent is. What is written above the line with left open and S circle will represent is. Circle S में also edit में 2 बार edit हो गया. Edit to stroke logograms. I think अब logograms आपको पता लग गए. Come is written K on the line. And comes will be K and S circle. Put, P cut the line, and put will be put and S circle. Plus in the middle. Now we will study the rules for writing the circle S in the middle. When circle S comes between the curved and straight stroke or straight and curved stroke, it will be written inside the curved stroke. For example, designs. Now D is a downward stroke, but N is a curved stroke. Then circle will be written inside the curved stroke. List, L will be written upward, S circle, P and S circle. Music, M, S circle and K. Vowels and diphthong will remain at the same place. When circle S comes between two straight strokes without forming an angle, it will be written right side of the straight downward strokes. Like when those strokes जब मिलते हैं एक जैसे, जैसे decide. In case of decide, D is a downward stroke and the next D is also a downward stroke. Then in this case, it will be written on the right side. It will be treated as left motion. T, S circle and D. Tacit, T, S circle and T. On the upper side of the straight horizontal stroke, when there are two horizontal strokes, then it will be written on the upper side. For example, cask. K, S circle and K. Excuse, K, S circle, K and S circle. दो बार है ना. On the left side of the two straight upper stroke. For example, razor. In case of razor, there are two upper stroke, ray and ray. Ray on the left side, ray and ray. Razor. Visor. यहाँ भी ray is also upper and ray is also upper. Research. Ray, S circle, ray and J. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In between two straight strokes, forming an angle, circle will be written outside the angle. Like when there are two straight strokes, they are cutting at a one place and making a corner. Then we have to write down the circle outside the two strokes. For example, task. T and K. आप देखिए when we are writing this T and K, task. Then this circle will be written making an angle outside the two strokes. Desk. Risk. Hasp. Gasp. We cannot write circle like this. No, it will be wrong. Hasp maybe we cannot write like this. No, it will be wrong. Use of circle S with stroke L. Stroke L will be written either upward or downward for an easier joining of circle S. अभी तक हम क्या पढ़ रहे थे? L stroke is written upward. Now in case of making an easier joining with circle S, we can write down the L stroke downward as well as upward. We will take the example. For example, cancel. In case of cancel, it will be written above the line K, N, S circle and L downward. Cancel. But in case of lesson, L downward, S circle and N. But in case of loser, it will be written upward. L, S or R. In case of vessel, it will be written downward. In case of muscle, it will be written upward. We have to take the easier joining.